Hello there guys! For today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn text to image using AI tool in Photoshop. Also, we will dive deeper into creating file document using generative fill and applying effects. So let's get started. Well, I am here at the home page of Photoshop. So first, let's create a new file. So to do that, all you have to do is to click on this new file, and then you can already set the size of the image you want. So I already have here a custom document. All right. So this image is it's a landscape. I'm also going to set the foreground content to white. Then let's create. There you are. And by the way, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. To turn your text to image. If you have something in your mind that you want to turn it into an image, well, let's make use of the generative fill. So make sure that you already open this contextual taskbar. But if you haven't opened this bar yet, well, go to the menu bar, go to Windows, and choose on contextual taskbar. Make sure that it's tick. That means it's already on our screen. You can already start using it. There you are. Now, I want to create something like a cat playing a guitar. All right, so let's click on this, generate image. Once I click that, we already have here the Firefly images where you can use. Let's add a prompt here. It says here, describe the image that you want to generate. Yes, just click that one. And then let's say I want to create a cat playing a guitar. There you are. Now you can already start to generate it. There you are. We already have 3 variations here. So just go to the properties panel. And then I got here the first variation. Now this one looks fine. This one looks good. Let's try the second variation. Okay, this one is also good. And let's also try the third one. All right. So all of the images are cool. But in my case, I will go with the third one. Okay, there we are. And another thing here. Well, if you want to apply an effects, well, let's do it this way. So under the properties panel, while the variations are still open, you can just click on this icon. This is the referent image or style text. Just click that one. And then there are different varieties of effects that you can apply to your image. All right. So just like, for example, I'm going to click one of it. For example, this movement, it has different effects that you may apply. All right. So there are movements, there are themes, techniques, effects, materials, and concept. All right, so now let's apply here an effect first. So I want to create something like cyberpunk to our image. Okay, so let's go to movements and let's find the cyberpunk. There we are. All right, so let's just click on that to apply the effect. Once it's already tick, okay, let's just close this window and then hit generate. And there you go. So a cat playing a guitar in a cyberpunk effect. So let's go to the different variations. I got this first image. Let's go to the second one. This one looks cool. And the third one. Yes, every images are totally fine with me. Okay, but I'll go with the first one. Yes, this is what I want. Because this cat is looking to the left. Actually, it's just the same with the second image, but this one is perfect for me. All right, let's try another effect that we can apply here. So again, let's go and click on this icon, reference image and style effect. We can also add effects, not only one, but more than that. Okay, so I'm going to click on the cyberpunk effect, and then I also want to add another effect. So let's go to effects. I want to create a misty effect to it. There you are. One's better, then hit generate. All right, there you go. The mist effect is already applied to this cat playing guitar. All right, let's try to check on the other variations. All right, they're looking good. Okay, now one last thing. Let's try one last effect. Okay, so I already have here the cyberpunk effect. I already have the misty punk effect. All right, let's click on this there and let's add another. Let's click on this icon and then let's add another effect. Okay, so let's go to techniques. And then now I want it watercolor effect. Okay, there are. So there are 3 effects that already apply here. So one is the cyberpunk effect, the misty, and this one, the watercolor. Okay, let's close this one and then hit generate. All right, there you go. Now there's already a watercolor effect on it. All right, let's go to the different variations and let's check it. Okay, the first one is okay. The second one is better. Go to the third one. All right, well, I'll go with the second one. There are already 3 effects on this generative layer. And that is how to turn text into image using AI tool in Photoshop.